and today we are going to open the MathLink Cubes Activity Set number blocks 1 to 10. First, Nuri will tell me which number blocks these are. Nuri, which number block is this?
1.
Let's open and see what's inside. Let's open them. Let's see what's inside. This is the sticker sheet, the cards, the faceplates, the activity cards, and let me see, what's this? It's a build guide. And we have the blocks.
Hi, let's stickers. Hi.
Let's start building. Ooh, what does this bag have? Let me see. Faceplates and numberlings. We have a sticker sheet. The activity guide. The cards, the character cards for the number blocks 1 to 10. Actually, 0 to 10. We've got the 15 double-sided write and wipe activity cards. We have 11 red, 11 orange, 11 yellow, 11 green, 11 blue, 13 indigo, 10 grey, 10 magenta and 10 white blocks. Let's build number block 1. We've got 1 red block and a faceplate and 1 sticker. In the whole set, we can make 10 number block 1s. Because extra blocks and extra stickers and faceplates come. And here's 1. So where's 2? Let's make 2. We first have to make 0. We made 0. The next number block's 2. 2 orange blocks. One faceplate for the sticker. And then another orange faceplate if needed. I put it on because it looks more clean. Bigger number blocks don't have enough of those, like in the 11 to 20 and 21 to 30, but 1 to 10 comes with extra faceplates. So for the 3s, we can make 3 3s in the set. We've got 3 yellow blocks. Number block 3 has a crown. In number blocks 21 to 30, 30 has a big crown. 3's jiggling balls. And here's 3. Let's make 4. We're gonna build number block 4 as a square shape with 4 faceplates. Like this. And 3 stickers. 1 for the mouth and 2 for the eyes. Now we need to put in the numbering and put in the 2 eyes stickers. 1 more eye sticker. Let's put it on. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's number block 4. 4. Square, square, square. Let's build 5. 5. You can choose as many face plates as you want. 1 is needed because there's only 1 sticker. But if you want it to look more neat, you can add 5. And we put on the sticker. Here's number block 5. Now, the next number block we're going to build is number block 6. Let's take 6. Let me build 6. Like this. So now for the 6 face plates. Number block 6 has 6 stickers. 3 for the dots and 3 for the eyes and mouth. Also with a little dot at the top. We can make 2 number block 6s in the set. So, does everyone know 6 plus 6? It's 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. And now back to building 6. With 6 purple blocks, put the eyes on first. And the mouth with little dots at the top. Now these 3 you see by a violet sticker for number block 7 on the sheet. Those are the single dots with no eye or mouth next to them. Let me place this one in. The last sticker for number block 6. Here it is. Number block 6. 6 in the mix. Number block 6. 6 in the mix. 6 in the mix. 6 in the mix. Number block 6. Let's build lucky number 7. With one of each colors, but no grey, magenta or white. Number block 7 has 1 faceplate and 1 numbering and 1 sticker. And here's 7. So next number block's 8. Number block 8 has magenta blocks, 1 numbering, 3 stickers, and 4 faceplates. Let me put in all 4 faceplates. And the stickers. Here's the second eye sticker. We've got 1 more sticker. Here's number block 8. Now let's build number block 9 in the square shape. Number block 9 is also made of the 3 threes. Let's put the 3 threes in the correct position to build number block 9. Let's put in the 4 faceplates. Look, my sister Nuri came. Let me put on the sticker for 9. And the numbering. The last number block we're building today is 10. 10, 10, 10 again. 10, 10, 10 again. My sister Nuri is holding number block 9. So we have 10 white blocks for number block 10, 3 stickers, and 4 faceplates. So now, let's put in the last sticker for number block 10 and the numbering. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. This is 0, 0, 0. This is 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 2, 2. This is 3. This is 4, 4, 4. This is 5, 5, 5. This is 6, 6, 6. This is 7. This is 8, 8, 8. This is 9, 9, 9. This is 10. Number block 6.
6.
Where is 3? 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Well done, Nuri.
1.
7 plus 3 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Nuri? Wait, is it 4 or 8? What is it?
2.
What is it?
2. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Watson.
Bye. Subscribe to our channel.
Bye, for the channel.
Bye.
Bye, for the channel.